Obstetric forceps and post-delivery instruments, Hans's Medscope.
In obstetrics, forceps are life-saving instruments used to assess the delivery of the baby when the mother is unable to push the baby out or when the baby's life is at risk. Each forceps is specifically designed with unique curves and features, depending on the position of the fetal head and level of descent in the birth canal. Let's explore the most important types one by one.
Rickley outlet forceps.
These are short, light-weighted forceps with both pelvic and cephalic curves. They are mainly used for outlet delivery when the head is visible at the perineum and the only minimum traction is required. It has short blades and solid shanks, easily identified among obstetrics forceps. It helps in controlled delivery of the fetal head and prevents perineal tears. It also shortens the second stage in mothers with cardiac disease.
Anderson obstetric forceps.
Anderson forceps have a wider gap. The maximum distance between the closed blades is 7.5 cm. They are used in cases where the fetal head is low and in direct occipito-posterior position, or when the mother fails to deliver even after the head crowns. It has distant, broad blades with marked cephalic curvature, and it is used in occipito-posterior positions for mild rotation and to shorten the second stage in maternal cardiac or pulmonary conditions.
Killen lawn straight forceps.
These forceps are unique because they have only a cephalic curvature. No pelvic curve is present. They also feature a special sliding lock mechanism that allows the blades to move vertically, helping to correct acyclitism when the head is tilted to one side. These forceps have long, straight blades and sliding lock. They are used for rotation of the fetal head from occipito-posterior to anterior position and for high forceps deliveries when rotation is required.
Milne-Murray forceps.
These are axis traction forceps designed to deliver the baby along the pelvic axis, minimizing trauma. They have an additional traction handle which allows straight pull in the line of pelvic axis. They have detachable traction rods and handle. It is used for safe traction in mild pelvic deliveries and correction of malrotation.
Neville Barnes obstetric forceps.
These forceps are longer and heavier, suitable for low or mild cavity applications. They include a perineal curve that helps align traction with the pelvic axis. These forceps have curved shanks and elliptical fenestrated blades. They are used for delivery in occipito anterior positions and in cases where mild traction or rotation is required.
Hay Ferguson obstetric forceps.
These are curved forceps used for mid-pelvic and low forceps deliveries. The design helps in gradual traction while maintaining alignment with the pelvic curve. These forceps have moderate length with distant double curvature. It helps to deliver the fetal head gently during difficult labor and to reduce the need for cesarean in low cavity cases. Once the baby is delivered, attention shifts to maternal repair and care. Let's look at the instruments used post-delivery.
Episiotomy scissors.
Are used for making a controlled incision in the perineum to enlarge the vaginal opening. It ensures smooth edges for easy suturing and prevents uncontrolled tears.
Needle holder.
Needle holder is used to hold and guide suturing needles during perineal or cervical repair. It provides firm grip and precision during delicate repair work.
Tissue forceps.
Tissue forceps used to grasp and stabilize tissues while suturing. It prevents slipping and ensures accurate wound edge approximation.
Perineal repair suture set.
A complete set including needle holder, scissors, and tissue forceps used for suturing the episiotomy or perineal tears ensures proper hemostasis and anatomical repair after delivery. So, these are the key obstetrics forceps and post-delivery instruments every surgeon must know, each one designed with a specific purpose, ensuring both maternal and fetal safety during childbirth. Stay tuned with Hamza's Madscope for more surgical learning content.